In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview, publish, and unpublish your Wix Studio website. Whether you're finalizing your design, ready to go live, or need to take your site offline temporarily, I'll walk you through each step so you can confidently manage your website. Wix Studio provides an intuitive platform for creating and controlling your online presence, but knowing how to navigate its features is key to making the most of it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to handle these tasks with ease. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the official Wix Studio website, open your preferred browser, and type in the Wix Studio web address. Once you're on their homepage, look to the upper right-hand corner. You'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on it to start accessing your account. Now, on the login screen, you'll need to enter your credentials. This will typically be the email and password you used when signing up for Wix. Alternatively, if you want to save time, you can choose the Continue with Google option, which will log you in using your Google account. Once you've completed this step, you'll be taken directly to your Wix dashboard. From your dashboard, the next step is to open the Wix Studio Editor. This is where the magic happens. The editor is your workspace for customizing your website's design, adding content, and making any necessary updates. Once you're inside the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable with it. Now, before you publish your website, it's important to preview it first. In the Wix Studio Editor, locate and click on the preview icon. This option allows you to see your website exactly as your visitors would. It's a great way to double-check your work and ensure that everything looks polished, professional, and ready to go live. While you're in preview mode, take your time to carefully review your website. Look for any design elements that might need adjusting, such as misaligned text, broken links, or missing images. Also, check your content. Make sure all your text is clear, accurate, and free of typos. This is your chance to catch anything that might need fixing before your site goes public. Once you're satisfied with how your website looks, it's time to make it live. In the Wix Studio Editor, locate the Publish button. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the editor. Clicking this button will instantly publish your website, making it accessible to visitors on the web. Congratulations, your site is now live for the world to see. After publishing, you can return to your main dashboard by clicking the Wix Studio icon in the menu. This will take you back to the central hub where you manage your website and settings. From here, you have full control over your site's visibility and other key features. If at any point you need to take your website offline, Wix makes it easy to unpublish it. To do this, navigate to the Settings section from your dashboard. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for Website Settings and click on it. This is where you'll find a variety of management options for your site. Among these options, you'll see the Unpublish button. Clicking this will remove your website from public view, essentially taking it offline. Don't worry, your content and design will remain saved, so you can republish it whenever you're ready. And that's it. You now know how to preview, publish, and unpublish your Wix Studio website. These steps are straightforward but incredibly important for ensuring your site is always ready for your audience. Remember, taking the time to preview your site before publishing helps you avoid errors, and the Unpublish feature gives you flexibility if you need to make changes or pause your site's visibility. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.